Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. When I say that I have never felt this tired in a long time, I mean, I haven't felt this tired in a long time. I was just telling to babe that I have been sitting in the same spot for the past 30 minutes without moving. I didn't even realize that I was just sitting down not doing anything. You guys, I woke up this morning and I had some stuff to get done, so I said, you know what, I am not going to work out, I'm just going to get it done. So I did that. I didn't work out, and then I decided that I'm not going to cook today, so I didn't do that either. And I went and I dropped Tyler at the daycare, and I am actually heading to work in about 10 minutes. I shall pick myself up off this couch and slouch myself to work. And I also went to my office to drop off some papers, and I am happy that it's the last work day of the week. So tonight the unwinding will begin, and I'm really going to try and rest this weekend, even though I said so now. I don't know what will happen in the moment. But with all that said, comment down below and tell me if you guys had an amazing day. Make sure you don't let anybody interrupt your positive mindset. Have a wonderful day, whatever it is that you're doing. If there is something or somebody who is going to try and ruin your day and you see that red flag, don't overlook them red flags, okay? Because it's coming your way. Just make sure it doesn't happen. Let nothing interrupt your day. All right? Have a good day, whether you're at work, school, play, whatever it is that you're doing today. Just have an amazing day and snap out of whatever feeling that you're feeling. You might be feeling down. There's probably somebody who is watching our vlogs because it makes them happy. I am happy that we can change your mood, and maybe my little pep talks make you feel a little bit better. I'm happy that my little talks make you feel a little bit better each day when you watch our vlogs. Anyway, Tyler is at school, baby's at work. I'm going to snap out of my little laziness, even though just sitting here just listening to the clock ticking on the wall makes me feel a lot better. So I'm going to head to work, and then the next time you see me, I will be with the boys because we should be heading on the road. So it's never ending around here, you guys. We gotta do what we gotta do though. You know, when you live in a country, or when you live somewhere that you don't have families, and you don't have families that really family close by, you and your husband or your significant other have to tag team and get the task done. And I'm really happy that I have a husband who is family oriented and so caring, and we tag team to get everything done around here. If I'm cooking, he's cleaning. If I'm cleaning, he's looking after Tyler. If I drop Tyler at daycare, he picks him up and stuff like that. So when you don't live where you have your family, it's not easy. Not that you're living to look for help from your family, but it would have been nice. But I'm just really humble that I have a husband who we really work as a team to get everything done. Anyway, you guys, I have a little story to tell you. I dropped Tyler at daycare, and I took a bus to the famous street, and then I took a bus to town, and then I took the tram from town to Tyler daycare. And while in the tram, a man touched my hair, and I just swerved him like, "Oh, old man, what are you doing?" A lady beside me was laughing. She was saying, "He was so rude. He touched my hair." And he was like, "How do you get your hair to look like this?" He was speaking in French, but I understand what he was saying. He said, "How do you get it to look like this?" I didn't answer him. I just looked at him like, I didn't answer him all no. I was saying to the man that, I was saying in my mind like, how rude are you? Don't you know you're not supposed to touch a woman's hair? Even so, a black woman's hair, okay? Don't do it. And he was a very old man too. He was hilarious. He couldn't even walk properly. He was just going slowly and take his time. But I think because of his age, he was fascinated by my hair. But I was in such shock I couldn't get to answer him. Because I was like, who is that touching my hair? Like, he was like, ooh, and pulling my hair close to his eyes like, what are you doing? Comment down below and tell me if you would have been pissed or you would have find it funny. I was a bit, I wouldn't say pissed at first, but concerned. But then when I saw who he really was, I just find it so hilarious that he was curious because I think because of his age, he was curious like, how do you get your hair to look like this? He was so funny. Anyways, so that's my like a story of the day, you guys. I'm off to work, okay? Hey. Yeah. Papa soon give you grapes. Wait, Papa gonna give you grapes.
Hello?
Look. Give him the grapes, please, so I can go. Say please, Papa. I'm going to look for carrot. Push the cart. Yeah? Yes, Mama picking up carrots. Tyler, come, I'm here. Yes, it's okay. We are home. Baby's home, Tyler's home, and Tyler's shouting grapes. We're at the just run here, baby, grapes. We just ran in and out of the fruit and vegetable supermarket. Yes, baby. Just ran in and out of the I was about to say grape supermarket. Fruit and vegetable supermarket. And now we're going to the grocery supermarket real quick. I had to run in the fruit and vegetable one because it's closing in 20 minutes. So I just got a short amount of time to just pick up what I want and get out of there. Stop the shouting. We're in the supermarket just scrolling and grabbing our things to get home because it's Friday night, and you know when it's Friday night it's a struggle in terms of no cooking, and we have to hurry up and bring Tyler home and all of that. So we're just grabbing some stuff. Come on, ready milk. Grabbing some stuff to, yes, Ty, to get out of here. Tyler, stop. Did Mama say stop?
Mama?
Mama says stop.
Mama?
Mama said when you reach home and stop doing that.
Mama?
I said no.
Mama? Mama?
Don't let me tell you to stop again. You hear me? Sweet treat is forever M&M, you guys. M&M's, Tyler juice, oil, snack for Tyler. And of course I had to restock on his popcorn because I finished. Eggs, juice, coconut milk is there, yogurt is there, and my nice bug is here. Keep asking, what's that?
Mama? Pizza.
Is normally green? Okay. And that one sugar, I love this little sugar in the box square like this. You can use just 1 or 2 drop in your tea. What's what? What is this? Out.
Out.
And on the other side, in.
In.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Hey faves, we got back from the supermarket last night and pack out all our goodies and put Tyler down for bed and make dinner, and so much things happened in so little time. We were so tired and went straight to bed. We didn't get to end the vlog, so we're coming on to end the vlog this morning. So that's why you hear Tyler here making noise, because it's the next day really.
But we are still tired.
Oh yeah. Well, you are still tired. I'm a bit rested. I'm way better than how I felt yesterday. 100% better than how I felt yesterday. I feel nothing like I felt yesterday. Yesterday I felt like a truck just ran over my entire body. So that leads me to the Jamaican expression that I'm gonna give you guys for today is my body pop down. If a Jamaican say my body pop down, they simply mean that they're very tired, and that's exactly how I had felt last night.
My body pop down.
Pop.
Down.
Yes.
My body pop down.
Yes.
Okay.
What are you saying? Where's, yeah, what's on the other side?
Frog.
Let me see it.
Frog.
Frog, yeah, bravo. You guys, he and his flashcards. Yeah, what's on the other side?
Son.
Bravo. Can you say bye, fam?
Bye, face. 7.
You're showing them 7?
7.
Alright, and what's on the other side? Bat.
Back.
Count them. How many bats? Count them. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Bravo! 7 bats.
7 back.
Okay. What's the French expression?
Mama.
Wait, Tyler, wait.
French expression would be faire le lézard.
Oh,
What's your favorite one?
To make the lizard.
Yeah, do the lézard.
What is that? Purple diamond. Bravo.
Faire le lézard mean to do the lézard. What can it mean?
I don't know.
Mean to do nothing, to be lazy. Like the lizard is just on the sun like this and taking the sun to do the lizard.
Makes sense. That makes sense. That's a good one. But
if
I won't use it.
I had nothing to do today, unfortunately I have things to do. But if I had nothing to do today, I will have faire le lézard.
That's a good one. Faire le lézard. Alright, you guys. There you go, Pee Pee. Go. There you have the go on.
There you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and turn on your notification bell. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, which is actually today. Bye fam. Subscribe, comment, thumbs up, catch up and keep up. We see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.